Welcome back to the Sierra Hits the Fan show. Today we are unboxing a new piece of gear for Whiskey Station's Chief of Security. That's her. We'll introduce you to her after we unbox her new bling. We believe that every household should have at least one dog in the family. Firstly, dogs make human beings better. Secondly, there are far too many dogs across America who need a good home and to be part of a loving family. From a Sierra Hits the Fan perspective, dogs provide valuable services that help families become safer, and ultimately, invulnerable. Bringing a dog into your family is win-win. In Sierra Hitting the Fan circumstances, it doesn't matter if your dog is a 10-pound ankle biter or a 125-pound Japanese brawler who likes hunting bear, they are always on and paying attention. A dog's eyes, ears and nose are the most effective and cost-efficient early warning system you can have. This collar is manufactured by United States Tactical at their factory in Texas. It feels strong. Built with nylon web, genuine Velcro, a stainless D ring, and excellent buckle. Nothing to rattle and give away a stalking pup in the brush. We purchased this entire setup, including the custom name patch, for less than $20, including shipping. Use code SHTF20 to save 20% at AmericanRadioClub.com. Did I mention her call sign? I'll share, but you have to hear it in a 007 voice. It's Monkey. Whiskey Monkey. And if you are trying to reach her on comms, use proper protocol, Whiskey Monkey Actual. I am very happy with this purchase already. When you are buying gear that absolutely cannot fail, gear upon which your life and your family may depend, perhaps for years of hard use with no chance of replacement, you simply must not settle for mediocrity. Monkey's life will probably never depend on this collar. But she needs a high-quality harness that will serve her well, and may very well save her life one day. And now I am confident that I can buy a harness from United States Tactical that will do the job. I bought this collar from Tactical Gear Junkie. I buy all of our custom embroidered Whiskey Station patches from them, and their customer service and products are top shelf. I was willing to give United States Tactical a shot because I trust the Gear Junkie team. Whiskey Station will be purchasing more gear from both companies. Ah, here we find Monkey doing what she loves, napping in the sunshine. After a long North Idaho winter, she hunts patches of springtime sunshine and, as you can see, plops down to soak up some rays. As the sunshine moves across the property, she follows. Is she a monster killer watchdog, ready to intercept attacking zombies like a fur missile when Sierra hits the fan? Nope. Not even a little bit. 3 of her closest friends are the drivers from FedEx, UPS and our mail carrier. She lets them all inside the fence for nothing more than a cookie and a scratch behind the ear. When the Great Chicken Uprising begins late next year, she'll be all over it. But we can't talk about that on open comms. Until next time, Whiskey 6 and Monkey, out.